Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids and install free app from Mad Scientist developer, Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Scene. When it's ready, open it and to mute the music right away, hit the bottom left corner. Sometimes if you see this kind of text, you need to simply swipe up and choose OK. Now tap on those three lines at the bottom right corner and click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Then you can tap on Yes in the pop-up right away to apply it. You can also select this gear at the top right corner instead. Click on I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. You can also tap on presets, tap on the best one for you and hit yes. Then select this X at the top right corner. Click on the three lines one more time. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, but this time tap on Yes. Then hit Set Wallpaper at the bottom and decide where you wish to apply it. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!